Good day, YouTubers. This is Murad Saeed, and on this video, I'll be updating the system or the setup of the hoses. As of now, I'm tired of taking this air compressor iron out because it's like very hard to take it out. So the idea was to install some new pipe fittings and a hose, and also I'm installing their new air filter regulator, and later on I'll be getting a 100 feet half-inch air hose. Will be that in the future, but as of now I want to show you guys how I'm going to do my new setup. First things first, I'll be installing a T-fitting. This is a T-fitting. Now, this one, I'm just going to show you guys how to do it. Then later on, I'm going to show you the complete project. So, leave it to that. That's the T-fitting. Next up, I'm going to install a 1-inch nipple, which is here. Get it? Now, I'm going to install a bulb valve, which is a 1/4 inch. By the way, all these pipes fitting here is a 1/4 inch I'm using. This is going to be a bulb valve. Now, the reason I installed a bulb valve, I'll tell you that in a couple of minutes, as soon as I done this setup. Next up is probably a 4-inch nipple, which is going to go on top of here. Oops. Okay, it's going to go on top of that T-fitting. Now next, I'm going to install a 90 degrees elbow. It's going to be like that. Last is going to be a 5-inch nipple, which is going to go right here. And last but not least, I'm going to install this Flexilla hose, and has a swivel on the end. Now this size is a 1/4 inch. This hose itself is a 3/8, as you can see. It's from Flexilla. And at the end it's going to be the female side. It's going to go on top of that. Sorry for the, excuse me for the water pump. It's been running on and off. My sister and my mom are busy doing the dishes. And as you can see, this setup will, this is how it's going to look like. So it's going to hook up to this, the air filter regulator, which I'm going to connect right now. So just give me a minute and I'm going to show you the complete process. Alright, now I'm going to show you the complete process on how this thing is going to set up. Alright, okay, so this is how it's going to go. Now, you got a 2-inch nipple, a T-fitting, a 1-inch nipple, a 1/4 inch bulb valve. This is a 4-inch, right here. I got a 90-degree elbow, and here it's gonna be a 5-inch nipple. And right here I'm gonna run a long hose to a 90-degree elbow, and this is probably like a 1.5-inch nipple. This is my new air filter regulator from Craftsman. And as you can see, I installed a bore so I can attach the filter to the bore, which is a 2x4. And here is the disconnect from Flexzilla. So, and I'll be using this pipe thread sealant. Is good for PVC and metal pipe, so I'm going to use that. And the one for the hose, I'm going to use a regular Teflon tape. So I'll see you in a bit of the complete setup. Alright, I'm back. Now here is the complete product. As you guys see, this yellow thing you're seeing, it's the thread sealing I'm using. So here's the complete project. Thread sealing here, thread sealing here. I put in the white Teflon, and here is the Flexzilla hose going up here, and that attaches to the 90-degree elbow and a 1.5-inch nipple, which is going through the air filter regulator. And yeah, as you can see, you know, the fitting coupling, which is gonna be getting the Flexzilla half-inch hose. In the future, I'm gonna have to place an order for that because there is none carry where I'm living. But that'll be in the future. And also, I installed this bulb valve. So I updated and put in the new bulb valve, an elbow, and I think probably it's like a 1-inch nipple altogether. So makes my life a little easier because, you know, you want things to be easy for everybody. Yep, and also I'm trying to finish cleaning up in here, which is hopefully by today, not maybe next week. Oh yeah, now one thing to tell you guys, I'll be going away for 2 weeks, which is in the following week, and I'll be back with all the stuff at my hands, and I'm going to show you the complete system on how this thing is going to be set up. So stay tuned. If you like this video, please subscribe and have a great day.